Hello, my name is Todd Press. I am an independent legal document assistant, specializing in assisting self-represented litigants in preparing and filing the required court documents for divorce actions, either as the petitioner or the respondent. I don't pick sides. Whoever hires me first, that's my client. This includes preparing forms for legal separation, child support, wage garnishment, visitation agreements, termination of domestic partnerships, and other family law matters. I also assist with preparation of eviction court documentation, also known as unlawful detainer actions, whether for the landlord or the tenant. One of my niche court form preparation services, and perhaps the most layperson-friendly legal option for self-represented litigants, is small claims court. Unfortunately, many people are either unaware or underestimate the effectiveness of filing a small claims court action to settle a dispute. Small claims courts can handle cases up to $12,500. That covers a whole lot of territory. When done right, small claims actions are a highly effective way to resolve disputes quickly, efficiently, and affordably. In many cases, small claims matters can be resolved before or at the very first court appearance. As with all court form preparation, court documentation and procedures must be complied with correctly. Quick story. A customer contacted me via my website. She said that a neighbor's overgrown tree had fallen on her fence and garage, causing significant damage. The neighbor claimed it was an act of nature, thus he was not responsible for the damage. The problem with that defense was that a few months earlier, he had a tree trimming company give him an estimate for the tree's removal. Long story short, I helped her prepare and complete all the necessary small claims court documents, filed them with the court, and served notice on the defendant neighbor. In the end, my customer recovered the full amount of damages necessary to repair both her fence and her garage roof. She paid me $400 for my services and recovered more than $7,500 in damages. Not a bad return on an investment. By doing all the paperwork, court filings, and notice of service of process herself with my documentation preparation assistance, she saved a ton of money, and the process was quick, easy, and efficient, and completed within days. Can you imagine what a lawyer would have charged her for the same service? Probably a few thousand, maybe. That is why I am sharing this information with you. The legal document profession is designed to bridge the gap between the high cost of attorney-assisted litigation and the solo self-representation litigation. As a legal document assistant, I take the guesswork out of the maze and complexity of court form preparation, the filing, and the service of process procedures. It is no secret that going through a divorce, an eviction, or small claims court matter can be stressful and frustrating. Why go it alone? Let me help you. If you are facing a legal issue or considering my services, visit my website to learn more. You need only type 5 simple words in your search browser: Todd Press Legal Document Assistant, and you will find me. Or click the link below. Better yet, call me for a free 15-minute phone consultation. 805-795-8622. In conclusion, as you prepare for any legal action or court hearing, number 1, avoid announcing your plans to litigate. Number 2, gather all necessary evidence, information, photos, and documentation to support your cause of action. The more prepared you are, the better. And number 3, finally, then come see me and let me assist you in completing and preparing your court forms and documentation. Of course, if you want to do it all by yourself, that's fine. But don't overlook the necessity of compliance with court form procedures and requirements. Accuracy is essential to the success of your case. If the court clerk finds errors or omissions in your court documents, it could result in the court's rejection of your filings, delay the process, or worse, hinder your results. Just to let you know, when I assist you with your paperwork, If the court clerk identifies errors or omissions in your documents that require correction or resubmission, I will correct them for you at no charge to you. The goal is to get your case filed/accepted by the court without error or omission. Last point, keep in mind, I am not a licensed attorney. I am a registered and bonded legal document assistant. All of my work is performed according to your specific direction. This ensures your forms are completed according to your wishes. I only represent self-represented litigants, those without an attorney. I cannot provide legal advice or recommendations on specific legal strategy, nor provide an opinion on legal rights, remedies, or defenses. However, I can explore with you published, court or attorney-approved legal information, definitions, or explanations that may help you with your case. Bottom line, I am here to help you. Call me with any and all questions. If I can't answer your questions or if I can't assist you with your concerns, I will direct you to an alternative resource. My job is to help you. Hope to see you soon. Until then, remember, the litigation choices that you make today can create your legal outcomes tomorrow. That's my job.